and gents, in this video we are going to cover Cardano. Alright then, so before we are going to start, let's quickly have a look at crypto bubbles. Firstly on the daily, so as you can see on the daily, Bonk is going down and Matic is going up 20%. Astar 21%, Mina Protocol 18.1, Optimism Network 19.4, and most of the cryptos are pretty much consolidating. But if we are going to click on the weekly, as we can see over here, we are pretty much in ocean of greens. Let's have a look at Cardano over here on CoinGecko. Cardano is currently trading at 61 cents. And its market cap is currently at 21,459 million. 24-hour trading volume is at $849 million. So if we are going to look in the past 90 days, wow, if you have been accumulating Cardano over here and you've been holding Cardano for a long time, I'm pretty sure that you're happy now with gains, 1.5x gains. Cardano did, I believe, 50% up. But if we are going to look at a 24-hour time frame, let's see. So as you can see over here, we are pretty much consolidating and going sideways. We can currently see a boring price action. Let's have a look quickly at Cardano market cap if it comes to the chart. As you can see over here in 90 days, okay, so we have pretty much went from $9 billion up to 23 billion at yearly high if it comes to market cap. All right, then let's have a look at a little bit of piece of news. So Cardano emerges as key player against elite control in crypto, focusing in decentralization despite SEC risks. A recent video highlights Cardano's milestones and challenges, including Charles Hoskinson's leadership and global adoption efforts. Ben Armstrong urges support for Cardano to leverage market trends against elite dominance, emphasizing community action. That is good news. Alright then, so let's have a look over here. Cardano, what high developer activity tells you about the network? As the year draws to an end, Cardano has led other chains in terms of developer activity in the last month. Cardano has seen the highest developer activity in the last month. Its NFT sector has witnessed a rise in sales volume in the last 30 days. So obviously that's something that we already know. Cardano is looking very bullish. All right, let's have a look at this piece of news. ADA's chart signals a potential breakout to 80 cents of a dollar, supported by bounce of key levels and consolidation pattern. All right then, so let's have a look at DeFi Llama over here to pretty much see what is brewing in the background. So the total value locked at the moment, if it comes to Cardano, is $495 million, and we have generated $18,000 in fees in the last 24 hours, and the volume is $11 million in the last 24 hours. So as you can see over here, guys, that chart is pretty much zoomed out. As you can see over here, fees were we were generating very big fees in the last bull market. We cannot really see any fees at the moment in pink color, but if we are going to zoom in, as you can see over here, we are generating fees. So that is a very bullish sign. If we are going to zoom out again, and let me just fully zoom it out. Okay, so as you can see over here, volume in the last bull market wasn't really as high as it is at the moment. As you can see over here, these huge spikes that obviously reflected on Cardano's price. It's just a matter of time when Cardano is going to blow up, at least in my personal humble opinion. Of course, nothing in this video is a financial advice. Do whatever you want with your money. Okay then, so if it comes to the price, that's pretty much well, dark pink, I would say, red-ish. So as you can see over here, we are slowly climbing over here. But if we are going to zoom in again, right, as you can see, it's just a matter of time when we are going to blow up if it comes to price, because total value locked is going up as well. So if it comes to DeFi Llama, things are looking very bullish. Let's have a look at Google Trends. So I did a little bit of comparison between Cardano and Solana. We saw Solana already did 8 or 10x from its all-time lows in the last year. And as you can see over here, we are bouncing back if it comes to interest in the last 90 days. But Cardano, if it comes to interest, not a lot of people are interested in Cardano, at least yet. So if it comes to Google Trends, that could indicate if people are FOMOing in or not. We've seen around 150% upside for Cardano, but still it doesn't mean that everybody is going to be FOMOing in. People probably are going to FOMO in like over here when Solana pumped, we saw an interest in the last 90 days, but that obviously was a bit too late. Many people, I'm pretty sure, are dumping on people that are buying here. Okay, then let's have a look at trading view. So that is a weekly time frame. As you can see over here on a weekly time frame, we are currently on RSI, which is on 79, and we are pretty much being supported over here on that support level. That is a very long term support level. That is a very strong support level. So we are going to see how things are going to play out in 4 days. That candle is going to close in 4 days. Probably we are going to see the upside potential as per the news that I just read before. The next target would be 80 cents of a dollar, which is going to be around, let's see, 30%, which is going to be a lot. Unfortunately, I haven't bought Cardano. I was thinking about FOMOing into it, but eventually I didn't, and at the moment I kind of feel bad. Of course, somebody in the comments said that why would I gamble on that move? Yes, of course, that's correct. I wouldn't really gamble because it's still a good buy even at that price, right? So if I would be interested in Cardano, I wouldn't really buy, I wouldn't really wait for bounce back. I would just buy now because obviously longer term, that is a very good buy anyways. All right, then let's have a look how we are dealing on a daily time frame if it comes to Cardano. So as you can see over here, in December, there was 8th of December, we were at RSI 87, so we're in very oversold territory if it comes to RSI, and we got pushed back. However, we got pushed back above this resistance level, which became our support now. So at the moment we are going sideways. Of course, it all depends what Bitcoin is going to do. If Bitcoin is going to go up, I'm pretty sure Cardano is going to follow shortly. All right, then let's throw some ribbon at it to see what kind of trend we are at. As you can see over here, we have flipped bullish according to the Madrid ribbon. So as you can see over here, we got spike, then consolidation. Yes, if it comes to the last few months. Now we've got much bigger spike and much bigger bullish momentum. So that could indicate that we are going to possibly go a little bit sideways, and eventually we are going to break out, which is going to be very good for Cardano holders. I'm pretty sure that you guys are very happy. All right, then let's zoom in a little bit and let's see over here what is brewing. As you can see over here, if I'm going to put a little line over here, we are forming a triangle over here, which could be a bullish sign, and we could break up higher. Obviously, that candle is going to close in 10 hours, so we are going to see what we could potentially expect. All right, then let's have a look what is going on the 4-hourly time frame. As you can see over here, we've got a bit more space to go, but obviously we might break out sooner rather than later. We are currently at 50 if it comes to RSI, so I wouldn't be surprised if we are going to bounce back to these levels and Cardano is going to get pumped. And why? Because of this, right? Cardano at the moment looks very undervalued, at least based on what is brewing over here on DeFi Llama.